viewers, you're welcome to Kharis Tutorials. I'm Simeon Grace. Today I'll be taking us on this lovely dress. It's a sleeveless top with cape and kiss pleats. I love my pleats. So today we're going to be working with the measurement of on the bust, half length and the full length, the on the bust measurement, the half length and the full length, and also the shoulder measurements, the cape length, then the bust, the band, and that's all. Just the bust and the band measurements. The bust measurements and the band measurements. Those are the measurements we're going to be working with, and of course we need just a fabric, the lining, the zip, and the thread. That's all. So quickly we're going to be doing the cut seam. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Afriq TV, and don't forget you can also follow us on Facebook and on Instagram at Afriq TV, and you can also follow me on Facebook and on Instagram at Kharis Kreations, and also you can leave your comments in the comment box below. So let's move on. Welcome back. Now we are going to fold our fabric, and since we are cutting the half length first, we're going to be using the highest measurement, which is the bust to fold. So we have 32 plus 8. The 8 inches is meant for our allowance, our sewing allowance, holding the darts and all necessary allowances. So the 8 inches is meant for that. So we're going to add 8 inches to 32. That will give us 40. Divided by 4, we have 10. So we're going to fold 10. The half length measurement is 15 inches, and I'm going to add a sewing allowance of 2 inches. Then I'll measure out 17 inches. So now we have 17 for the length, and we have 10 inches to fold. So I have my 10 inches to fold and 17 inches for the length. Now we're going to measure out the shoulder measurement, which is 14 divided by 2, 7, plus our sewing allowance 7.5. And I'm going to measure down 8.5 inches where I'll have the bust measurement, and that is 10. The under bust measurement is 12. That's the under bust, 12. Then the band measurement, that's the band circumference, is 26. And 26 plus 8 divided by 4, we have 8.5. So I'm taking the band measurement after the under bust. This is the under bust measurement, which is 12. So I have the band 8.5. And I have the armhole, and from the bust to the band. And now I'm going to measure out the neck wideness. And the neck wideness, I'm going to use 5 inches for the wideness by 4 inches for the deepness. And I was slanting by 1 inch. Also, the princess dart measurement, 4 inches from the middle. The dart is 4 inches. And I'm going to measure the 4 to my breastpoint. That's the breastpoint is measured from the shoulder and is 9 inches. measure from the shoulder 9 inches. So I'm going to measure the 4 to the breastplate. And on the armhole, I'm going to measure down 3.5 inches. And I'll carve out my princess darts. So now we can cut. Before cutting out the princess darts, I'm going to place this to cut out the back. And for the back, I'm going to fold as well, and I'm going to add 2 inches for the zip allowance. Just the same thing. Now, the neck deepness for the back, the wideness is same as the front, but the deepness, I'm going to measure 3 inches. I'm going to divide the back into 2. It's meant for the zip. This is the zip space. And now I'm going to cut out the princess darts. Next now is to cut out the remaining parts of our blouse, which is going to be pleated. So this is going to be determined by you. Since we are going to pleat, so the pleating is a matter of choice. We have different types of pleat, but I'm going to be using a kiss pleat in this tutorial. And the fabric to use is going to be 2 yards. That's the wideness of the material I'm going to pleat is 2 yards, and the length, since the length of my blouse, the full length is 22, and we have the half length to be 15, so the remaining length here is 7 inches. So it's going to be 2 yards, that's the wideness, by 7 inches, and I'll add my sewing allowance to the 7 inches. The length is 7, and I'm going to add my sewing allowance to it. So we are left with cutting out the cape. And this will be done after joining the shoulder. So come with me to the sewing machine. I hope you enjoyed the class, and stay cool till I see you next class.